All right, gotten a couple of requests asking to show how we actually mount stuff in the boxes here. So I'll explain what's going on here. This is an airframes filter. We're using just M3 cap head screws. I don't know how long they are. Have like a whole set of different lengths here. Just ordered off Amazon. So they thread directly into the board. They don't need a nut on the back, but you know, if you had the wrong size or if they come out differently, yeah, you can just do that. 3D printed bracket here to mount the rack, and then just zip tied the voltaic. So some other options here. I'll talk about this real quick. Right now, we had solar running in through this PG7. PG7's a little small. I would definitely upsize that. What ends up happening there is you have to actually shave down the connector in order for it to fit through. A little bit sketchy. So yeah, just go with a bigger one and maybe wrap some tape around the cable to size it up. And then the other thing we've started doing, this is actually an older box that we pulled out of service. Instead of doing a bulkhead, we're actually just doing a large size cable gland, which I don't have one of on the desk here, but just a larger version of this. And instead of running the bulkhead, we just pass a end type for our antenna straight through here and have an SMA on the other end. So it reduces this whole bulkhead fitting there, which is nice. You just get, you know, one more thing out of the chain. It's another half dB of loss, half to 1 dB, depending on how good your connector is. So yeah, just showing off how we actually mount things in here. The 3D printed plate is great. You know, when we first started, we didn't even do that. We would just put a screw directly through the rack into one of these holes, and that works fine too. So, you know, as long as you're not getting knocked around, which hopefully your repeater setup isn't having like kinetic force put on it. Otherwise, you've got some other problems. Yeah, that's it.